I was told I have to put my bag in the in a locker, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think one of my favorite parts about the city, people are just so willing. Very hot today, but I missed yesterday's run, which I usually don't ever do. Ever do. I make no excuses. I didn't have any clothes. I wasn't gonna run in my underwear. That'd be awkward. Hey, we're gonna run down to 5th Avenue, 5 miles. It'll take me like less than an hour. The freaking waves here right now are crazy. I've never seen Playa del Carmen like this. It's pretty remarkable. It's almost like there's a big storm coming. The waves are just massive, but cool view. Yeah, got the run done, and it's really hot.
I can't believe you ran.
Oh my God. Dripping, absolutely dripping with sweat. I think I like to call it glistening. Okay. It's not Donut Friday, but it sure is Soppy Wet Wednesday. Look at my phone. Look how shiny that is. You see that? Oh, that's just a bunch of butt sweat. Yeah, gross, huh?
I'm just going to get out of here.
Okay, but I gotta hurry up. I've got a meeting / podcast to do here shortly, and I'm gonna do this really fun camera movement where I just do one of these. All right, ready to do the podcast. How do I look? Dry? Showered? Cleaned? Cleansed? Let's do this. So I'm looking for a blank t-shirt that has no logos. It's got to be 100% cotton, because the movie I made yesterday for the paint company, they offered, they're like, hey, can we do anything? And I said it would be really cool to have the Adventurous 3 logo on a shirt, but in like graffiti. And they said, sure, bring us a shirt. But I can't find a blank shirt. Blank sweatshirt. Blank undies. These actually look pretty nice. Little pink sharks. That's not why I'm here. That's not why I'm here. So I think we fulfilled our goal of today. We had to get a 100% cotton shirt. It's kind of a secret thing. I don't know if I told Caitlin a piece of it or what, but I had to walk like 35 minutes in the wrong direction to go find this blank t-shirt, which is a lot harder than I thought it would be. But we got it. We acquired it, which is great. We're gonna head back, drop the t-shirt off. But there's part of the art video that I'm making that I showed you a little bit yesterday, kind of a piece of it. The overall picture of the actual project is essentially art in general. And coming to Playa del Carmen, having a blank canvas, having the ability to change an outlook, change the way a city or a tourist or a population views your art, with the key element of selling more paint. That's the goal, right? That's the whole goal. So I'm capturing other artists doing very similar things here in Playa del Carmen, and then hopefully inspiring others to go chase their artistic dreams by buying paint and going painting something cool.
Where'd you go, Dad?
Everywhere.
Apparently.
Did you go on for a run?
I did not. Went on a very long walk.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah. It's been an interesting day, to say the least. Been busy. Lots of meetings, lots of creativity going on, which is good. We gotta head back and eat some dinner, hang out with the family.
Let's get